Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace, blessing, and mercy of God be upon you. Today we'll finish solving Computer Science Paper 1 OL October-November 2023, Variant 1. In the previous two videos, we solved questions from 1 to 6. Today we'll solve from 7 to 9. You can find link in description. Number 7, complete the statements about data packets and packet switching. Use the term of the list. Some of the terms in the list will not be used. You should only use the term once. Destination address first, footer, header, last, main data, packets, payload, router, server, trailer. Data is broken into packets. A data packet has a packet that contains the packet number. Packet number will be in the header, okay, and the header contains the packet number and the destination address. So a data packet has a packet header, that contains the packet number and the destination address. Each packet could take a different path. This path will be determined by the router from the sender to the receiver. This is controlled by the routers. Packets may arrive out of order. Once the last packet has arrived, the packets are reordered. This is the last packet. Okay. Number 8, storage can be described by magnetic, solid state, or optical. Give two features of magnetic storage. Magnetic storage, it is a non-volatile storage, and it used magnet to represent zeros, the binary values. And in hard disk drive, we use platters. We can say it, but not in the magnetic tape. So we can just say it is a non-volatile storage which use magnetic field to determine the binary values. Give three features of solid state storage. Solid state storage, which is used transistor. There is no moving parts like magnetic storage. You can say use transistors. By controlling the flow of electrons, use transistors, which controls the flow of electrons. And as we say in the magnetic storage that it is non-volatile, so in solid state it could be non-volatile or volatile, as we have a RAM, for example. So we can say that it could be volatile or non-volatile. Okay, number C, give one example of each type of storage. Magnetic, it will be hard disk drive. Solid state drive. Optical, you can say CD, DVD, Blu-ray, whatever we need. Number 9, an interrupt is a type of signal that is used in the computer. State the name of the type of software that manages interrupt. It is an interrupt handling. or interrupt handler. Interrupt handler. Describe how interrupts are used when a key press on a keyboard. When the key press pressed on the keyboard, this press sends a signal to or interrupt signal to the CPU. This signal have a priority. If the key pressed have a higher priority than the current process, the CPU send the current process to a buffer and execute the interrupt, and then restore the process from the buffer and complete its process. So we can say that when key pressed, it generate an interrupt signal which have a priority. The operating system checks if the interrupt priority have a higher priority than the current process, the CPU sends the current process to a buffer and execute the interrupt. When finished, the interrupt handler routine restore the process from the buffer and continue process. Otherwise, the interrupt stored in a queue until proceeds in its priority arrange. Okay. Interrupts can be hardware based or software based. A key press is an example of a hardware interrupt. Give two other examples in hardware interrupt. Hardware interrupt, it's like key press. It is a mouse click. It acts like the same like key press, or the printer examples: printer out of paper, printer gene. So printer out of paper. Or jam or paper jam. Okay. Give two examples of software interrupt. It's like null value, the software interrupt, and the division by 0. Or if two, in case of two processes try to access the same memory location. That will generate a software interrupt. Okay, that's the end of the exam. You can find link in description. Thanks for watching. See you next video.